This is an official message from the Civil Defense Authority of YouTube. A civil danger warning has been issued for Lunar Flare Studios, their subscribers, any Siren fans, and any BATIM Let's Players until further notice. At 8:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, security officers in the Lunar Flare main office saw a dark figure trying to attack Lolbit the fox while she was attempting to fix a broken signal. The figure was wearing a mask so his face could not be seen, but other witnesses point his origins to the old abandoned cartoon studio in eastern Witch Haven. Menti has been alerted and Lunar Flare will be on Code Orange starting at this time. All horror game characters in all universes must be on the alert at all times in case this intruder is using Lunar Flare to cross between dimensions. We believe at this time that he is the same one who kidnapped ATI not long ago, and he may have scrambled our signal to cause the recent interruption. Please keep an eye on this channel for more information as it becomes available. This is Lunar Flare TV serving YouTube viewers. We will now return you to your normal programming.